our team has come up with some story which I've copy pasted here. Let's go ahead. Now let me just add this particular statement, which is a dragon flying over snowy mountains, camera panning from behind. In the past couple of months, the internet is going completely crazy with these kind of videos. But how are they made? How can an image come to life? Welcome to the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge, day 146. Today, we are looking at Hailuo AI, an AI-powered tool that has power which can bring life to your images. Now, we won't be showing you how to make viral kissing scenes which is floating around the internet, but we will show you how to take a very simple photo and turn it into cinematic movie shot. Let's check out. So head over to hailuoai.video. We can click on sign in, continue with Google. As always, I'll use the account, click on continue, and I am all set. So we have to upload the image from here, and I'm going to upload some cinematic image of myself, and we have got some cinematic prompt as well, thanks to our team. We'll share the prompt in the description, and we will see how it goes. So let me click on create. So you can see that it is optimizing the prompt, and slowly it will generate a movie out of this. A short one, of course, a few minutes. So it's 2 minutes as of now. We will come back in a minute or two. So you can also do some preset settings here, and you can also insert camera movements from here, right? And when you enable this one, your prompt will be enhanced. As you can see here, it says when enabled, your prompt will be automatically refined into more detailed description to enhance generation quality, right? So try this out and let us know in the comments below as to how this made the difference. You can see a video made out of the photo that I added, right? Based on the prompt that we have given. It's of 6 seconds, but that's fine. I'm going to download this. Of course, if you want to remove the watermark, then you have to go with the paid plan. Now let's imagine that we don't have an image. We just have some ideas in mind. What we can do is we can head over to text to video and add whatever idea you have, right? Again, our team has come up with some story, which I've copy pasted here. Let's go ahead. Now let me just add this particular statement, which is a dragon flying over snowy mountains, camera panning from behind, cinematic lighting. So once this is done, I'll click on this one. As you can see, this will take about 30 credits, and we have 1070 credits available, which is good. So let me click on this one, and it will start optimizing the prompt, and in a few minutes the video should also be ready. I think very soon we can add some images of ourselves, and it will create an entire movie based on the story that we say. Actors will lose their job. And there you go. We have the video ready. Hailuo AI, you can create cinematic videos with just a few clicks. Whether it's a portrait, a mood shot, or some crazy ideas that you have got in your mind, you can bring them to life using this tool. So go give it a try. And remember, this is just the beginning. Tools like this are going to make even more crazier outputs very soon. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, because we are going to come up with every single tool that's going crazy over the internet. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.